Sorry guys, my video did it again where it shut us off. I'm so sorry. Let's continue this last problem because I just want to recap how to annex zeros so that you can divide with adding some zeros and getting to rounding to the nearest tenth, okay? So if I have this problem, we're on 6A, right? And I have 5,430 up to, where's my eraser? Sorry, 32, okay? And it says round to the nearest tenth. That means that I can go ahead and add my decimal, add or next my zero, okay? That's 1/10th place. But to round, remember, I have to have a determining digit. So I have to have that hundredths place there, okay? So got to add that one in. Now I can go ahead and divide 17 into this number and get 2 digits so that I could do my rounding, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. I may do this a little bit quick for you guys. Okay, 17 goes into 54 3 times. 3 times 7 is 1 with a 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. I subtract, I get 3. 17 can't go into 3, so I'm good. I bring down my 3. 17 goes into 33. 1 times 17 is 17. I subtract. I get my 2. I carry it over. And then I end up getting a 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have 16. 17 can't go into 16. I'm good. Bring down my 2. 17 goes into 162. 9 times 17 is 153. 153. I need to do that one really fast on you, but that's okay. I then borrow, so I can subtract. I get a 9. I bring down a 0. 17 goes into 90. Oh, bring up that decimal. Don't forget. 5. 5 times 17 is 85. 85. Okay, subtract. I end up getting 5. I bring down my 0. 17 goes into 50. 2 times 17 is 34. I subtract and I get 16 left. Now, remember, it's okay to have a remainder down here when you're rounding decimals because, yes, we could keep going and annexing zeros, but this problem only asked for you to round to the 10th place. So here's our rounding part. Here's my rounding number. Here's my determining digit, right? So what am I going to do? I need to use this number. 0, 4 stays the same. 5 to 9 goes up by 1. 2 is between 0, 4 staying the same. So my answer would be 319, keeping 5 the same, and 5/10. This would be my answer for the division problem. Okay, so do you see how this one we got a little bit larger numbers, and then but we still have our decimal. It means that 17 goes into 5,432, 319, and 5/10 times. Okay, now it sounds weird, but there you go with that. Okay, so I want you guys to complete all of the 6, which we already did 1 for you, which means there's only 3 more. Okay, so complete 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and you're done with math for today. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I want to make sure that I'm going over any of this stuff with you guys. I do have, I think, 2 Zooms today, so that means that people are asking for help. So if you need help, I want you to reach out, okay? And this was rounding the mixed numbers and then also getting a recap of rounding with decimals.